theme of the conference, Knowledge to Action, is obviously a very complicated subject. If it was simple, we wouldn't need to have this conference. My sense is the most important element to moving forward from knowledge to action is communication, building relationships, understanding each other. Those who have faced complicated problems need to be able to express what those problems are. Those with new information need to be able to interface new information with the existing challenges that are out there.
IPY is amazing because you've got all kinds of interesting, important science going on, very interesting perspectives from the First Nations and the Inuit Indigenous peoples, and really, groundbreaking research from all around the world, specifically focused on our northern environments and the Arctic.
This event for me is really important to build a legacy to all the projects that I've already started and to continue being involved and build a long-term commitment to the people of the Arctic.
It's a big challenge for a researcher like us to take what we are doing routinely everyday work and then to bring it so it's useful to people.
Knowledge to action involves engaging in research, engaging in trying to understand communities around the world and trying to sort of envision ways that you can act to kind of address issues in those communities. And it's easier said than done.
Well, I think just the fact of being here today is taking action in the sense that by actively sharing knowledge, sharing experiences, sharing recommendations to policymakers and actors, we can make a difference.
Because we're really trying to take all this amazing science, all this research that's been done, and trying to package it into something that we could then implement on the ground. So we're hoping that all this information, knowledge that's been gathered, could then be translated into a really solid, effective management system to deal with the transformations that are happening on the landscape.
I don't think that there's any one single way to put knowledge into action. I think that it really depends upon where we as individuals and as groups are working and living, who we are working and living with. I think we need to just do what we can, wherever we can, in whatever way we can do it.
If you were in one of the sessions today, you can hear all sorts of ideas about how you put into action what we're hearing around us. The thing is, though, it's not a very finite and definite action that will make the difference. It's a whole paradigm shift that we're looking at.
And I think this conference is an opportunity to make progress on that. It won't be a simple, great, now we've got it, we're done. But this is a great opportunity to start many of the conversations that we're going to need to move from knowledge to action. It's going to be learning and building relationships, understanding and working together as we move forward from knowledge to action.